It's easy to create bar, column, and Pareto charts in Excel, but which one is best? All you have to do is have some data. And you see here I'm just going to select two different columns. And I could go to over here and I could choose recommended charts. It's going to choose a bar. Or I could choose a column chart. But as you can see here, everything's kind of in various different places. Or I could choose a Pareto chart. Or I could choose a Pareto chart. The Pareto chart will show us which ones are the big bars in here. But you notice it doesn't really highlight which ones are best. Using QI macros, we could create a Pareto chart. And it'll actually summarize the bars and highlight anything that's over 20%. So this is truly the Pareto rule. The big bar, the next big bar, and the next big bar. We could also select all of the data and choose Pareto chart. And it'll create Pareto charts for each one of the various columns in there. Line 1, line 2, line 3, and total defects. We can also create Paretos of text columns. So if I click on the first cell and Pareto chart, it will summarize all of those text fields and create the Pareto chart for you. And that's how easy it can be to create bar, column, and Pareto charts in Excel using QI macros. Are you still using line, bar, and pie charts from the last century? You might want to consider control charts, Pareto charts, and histograms, smart charts for the 21st century.